afternoon, this is Jane from Super U Shop Fitting, and today I'm going to show you the currently project we done for the safety clothes uniform project. Okay, let's start from this side. So this is the window display, and which is with don't have the back panel, so it's next to the window. Customer can see through outside, and in this area you can display your product. And here's the logo wall. Normally it's displayed at the back of the cash counter, so you can see there's a brand logos highlighted, and below there's a cabinet for storage. And this side, here's some gondola display. Normally we can display some uniform clothes, and on the side there's for accessory like socks, some hats, something like that. And it is adjustable. You can adjust the distance between each rails. And at the top there's a brand name as well, so there's another way to highlight your brand. Alright, and this part is the next table. It is for some accessories, or in the middle of the shop you can display some like a box, some models there. And here's the normal workshop next to the counter. And this is the stand. It is used for the painting at the outside, so here's the logo as well. And this one also window display. So we use some lighting tube to highlight, to make it special. And this side is normal workshop, and there's the accessory. Here's shelves, adjustable, and here's the U-shape rails, also adjustable. Here is the hanger. And those accessories we can provide as per your need. For example, you say you need 5 pieces or 10 pieces in that watch shelves, we can do that. Here is a box for advertising, but so far we don't have the picture for this part yet. Okay. If you need, we can make it with a cabinet at the bottom part, so it can use for storage as well. See this side, the hangers. We can provide you 10 pieces, 30 pieces as per your need. At the top, there's a logo as well, or you can replace with some picture for advertising. Here's the mirrors. Normally for the clothing shop or garment shop, fashion shop, they need some mirrors to for customer review their to try the clothes. All right. And here's the next table. So in this case, there's some T-shirt or some hats. You can use some models box there. And this workshop is for shoes. Also adjustable. You can adjust the distance by yourself. And here's the bench for trying the shoes. This is workshop as well. So there's a different type of gondola like this one. It is for clothing, like polo shirts, some jackets. And this tool is in the middle of the shop. So it's to convert the pilots. There are some pilots in the shop, and the designer make with wood shelf to cover the pillars to looks nicer. This one also the next table, and we make the logo below. Alright, this part also wall shelves. And here's the fitting room. So we make 4 fitting rooms, and here's the curtain rails. Also, we can provide you the hangers inside the fitting room. Also, there's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the logos, fitting rooms, and the top part. Here's the big mirrors next to the fitting room. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching.